So, hey guys, and today we're going to be putting a bath bomb inside of this ooey gooey slime. Now it's all over my hands. My hair looks horrible, I'm sorry. It's all over my hands, and yes, we're in my bathroom. Only because we are doing this in my bathroom because it's a bath bomb. I have to have my activator, which is behind my camera, for when it, I've seen videos about this. It goes back to liquid, and it's really sticky slime. It's all over my hands. It was just from playing with it, and then it got stuck on the floor. So probably gonna be dead soon. I'm kidding. It's sunset. I did not show this in my slime collection video only because it was in my bathroom. And yeah, look, I can't even. We're not gonna do this outside my bowl because it's gonna be a very big reaction. I know it melts the slime, so I'm not gonna be the person that takes chances. So here we go. Okay, so we're gonna put the bath bomb in the slime. I already did it a little bit because I forgot about the video. And it smells like Santa's cookies. Okay, no reaction so far. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm ready now. We're going to put some water in the slime. Here we go. Because the bath bomb was doing no reaction. And I really want to see something, so I'm just going to mix that. I'll be right back when it's all mixed. Okay, so camera angle changed because I didn't like it right there. So we're just going to be mixing this with my finger. I don't have any utensils. And it's kind of late. So, okay, so it's very sticky now. So it's gonna be a whole different slime. Excuse me. Okay. Ooh, it's reacting. Okay, let me put it in the water. Oh, I just set that in water. Okay. Well, putting slime, my fingers are all over it, and it's whoa. Sorry. I'm so sorry about the background noise, and obviously I've said this, but I am in my bathroom, so that's gonna be background noise. I'm just gonna get a paintbrush, and in my set here, I'm just gonna grab the slime. Okay, I'm just kind of smothering the bath bomb. And we're gonna just get this water. It's gonna be a big reaction, hopefully. We're gonna get the water. Oh, wait. Ooh. Oops. I accidentally put water on it. We're gonna get the water and we're just gonna. Okay, so we're just gonna push the bath bomb in. Okay, so we're at 4 minutes and I'm just now reacting, so it makes me mad that I've just wasted 4 minutes of this video. And we're just gonna get some more water. Oh no. Oh no, it's overflowing. Ah! Just gonna stir it in. It's Okay, so it's overflowing. Okay, so it's overflowing. I'm gonna take the bath bomb out. Okay, bath bomb needs to calm down now. Okay, so we're just gonna mix. Oh my gosh. Pretty sure this is foam and liquid. So I've pretty much, I think, lost my slime. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like a fluffy slime now. Because all this foam in it, oh my god, it's not stretching anymore. Okay, so it's not turning into liquid. So it's confusing me because all the beads are falling out. And it doesn't stretch anymore. So, And this was one of my slimes for my, oh no, because this is what it's supposed to do. Oh god. That one just like ruined my slime. It ruined my slime. So, it didn't melt, but it ruined the slime. It's hard. Won't stretch. It will not stretch. It just will not. It just won't. These foam beads, if you can see, they're just going. They're flying. Even when I Okay. Oh no, the glitter's falling. Dang it. And this was my favorite slime. That's the thing that sucked. This was my favorite slime. And it's now melted and it's messed up.
Wow.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna pour this down my toilet. Oh my god. Okay, now it looks like puke in my toilet. Looks like I just puked. Okay, so I'm I squeeze it. This is gonna be great for selling as a slime scammer. I'm gonna do a slime scammer video after this. Oh my god, it's so hard. So hard. Okay. We're gonna get my, oh my god. I feel bad for this bath bomb. I'm gonna set it in there instead of on my towel. I feel bad for the towel actually. Oops. I'm gonna pour water in there. Making sure it's not reacting anymore before, yeah, because that would be bad. You're like, oh crap, it's still got bath bomb in there. Oh my god, it like soaked it up and now it won't. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Tired of this slime now. It'd be like, I don't like a slime. Put a bath bomb in it then. Okay, so we're gonna make it hard. Okay, this won't go. We're using Tide because I don't have any borax made. So, yeah. I really don't want to pause the video, clean my hands, and then get my hands back in this mess just to mix. Because that special thing will not mix this. Okay. So, finished product. And lesson learned, don't put a bath bomb in slime. So I just gotta find out what I'm gonna do with the rest of the bath bomb. I'm gonna go take a quick bath. You know, just not get my hair wet and all that. Ew. I'll be back. Okay, so that slime left a lot of glitter behind, and it's like pretty glitter. And I'm gonna get my red holiday slime. When I saw my slime collection. Go watch that video. Go watch that video, by the way. It's a great video. This is also another stretchy slime, but I don't care right now. At this point, I just want, oh, liquid. Grody. Okay, you probably see my toilet in the background. But that's okay, right? It's just a toilet. We all use one. Not like it's like, ew, right next to the toilet. By the way, I just cleaned my bathroom. And I just made a new mess. So, my mom, oh my god. I can't even use the liquid inside of this. Like, it's, if I'm infecting my slimes, I'm gonna hurt myself. Because I feel like I'm infecting my slime with this bath bomb wire. Because it's like not even a stretchy slime as it is. So if this is ruining it even worse, making it worse, I'm gonna like hurt myself. I'm just kidding, but seriously, I don't wanna ruin this slime. This is my holiday peppermint twist. I think I said candy cane twist in the last video when I was talking about it. Yeah, by the way, it was peppermint, because I know I said it at the beginning when I first brought up this slime. Okay, so we're just gonna go wash out this container. Hope you liked this video. Share with your friends and family if you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you're new to join the slime squad. Okay? So y'all join the slime squad. Slime squad just keep sliming and we drip all the way down. Yeah, but join the slime squad. Bye everybody. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. Bye.